Hi, I'm Thinh. Today I'm gonna show you how to sign up and earn money from Uber Eats with bicycle. It is flexible and convenient for people who want to work part-time, especially overseas students. Having exercises and getting more money after school days? Why not? For my situation, I got over $3,000 during my uni semester. Hence, I can afford to pay almost standard living expenses for my student life. Okay, let's get started. First, you need to click the link below in my description. This is an important step because this will allow you to earn $750 when you finish 30 trips within 90 days after completing the confirmation. Then you will see a new window pop up with the title Thinh. That's my Vietnamese name. Then you know you are on the right way. Next, filling the form with your information. Finally, make sure the invitation code is added before going to the following steps. Then, choose the way you deliver. If you want to deliver by bike, I recommend you for using electric bike because riding in Sydney is quite fatiguing due to the sloping terrains. Now, take a picture of your passport and your portrait. Now we apply for ABN. Then you will need to apply for a TFN. Fill in your information. Turn back to this ABN page. Remember, all information is SMS here. Then just complete your information. Waiting for approval, an ABN will be sent via your email. Then copy that ABN and paste here. And the final step is taking a bicycle test. And here are some tips for you.